Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in WhatsApp. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, you simply need to click on agree and continue. And here you need to put your number. So I'm going to put my number and then you need to click on next. Okay, and then you need to click on OK and you will receive a 6-digit code. You need to put that code here, so check your number and you will receive a 6-digit code. That is, you need to copy that code and paste that code in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp and then you need to add your name here. So I'm going to add my name and then you need to click on next. So now you can see that I log in my Instagram account, in my WhatsApp account. So this is a process by which you can log in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.